Once the liquidation proposal garners approval in the voting stage, it signals the commencement of the actual liquidation process. This chapter provides an in-depth look at methods to distribute the DAO's assets equitably among its members, ensuring minimal time and financial waste for the community. We start by discussing various strategies for asset distribution. The DAO's assets may consist of a variety of cryptocurrencies, tokens, or digital assets. You will learn about options such as converting all assets into a common cryptocurrency for ease of distribution, or distributing them in their original form. The choice of method has significant implications in terms of speed, cost, and fairness, so we'll discuss the pros and cons of each. The chapter then delves into the actual mechanics of distribution. Here, we discuss how to transfer assets from the DAO to its members, taking into account the technical aspects of blockchain transactions. We also discuss how to communicate about the distribution process to the DAO members to ensure they know what to expect. Asset valuation can become a contentious issue during liquidation. Different members might have differing views on the value of the DAO's assets, especially if the assets have volatile prices. This chapter provides guidance on how to establish a fair and acceptable valuation process, which can help avoid disputes and maintain harmony among the members. Disputes over distributions can also arise, especially if members believe they have not received their fair share. We offer strategies for preventing such disagreements, such as creating a clear distribution plan and a dispute resolution mechanism. The chapter also covers how to maintain transparency during the liquidation process. Ensuring that all actions are recorded on the blockchain and all decisions are communicated to the members can help build trust and prevent misunderstandings. Finally, we touch on the important aspect of legal compliance. Depending on the jurisdiction, there may be specific laws and regulations governing the liquidation of DAOs. This chapter provides general advice on ensuring legal compliance, but it's always recommended to seek legal advice tailored to the DAO's specific situation. By the end of this chapter, you'll be equipped with a roadmap to conduct a swift and fair DAO liquidation, keeping the best interests of all community members in focus. Your understanding of this process will ensure that the liquidation of any DAO is carried out efficiently, effectively, and ethically.